Dudes, welcome back to Speedemon Powersports. Today's a big day in the shop. We're unboxing something new and it's a big upgrade.
Today we're partnering up with TMG Industrial and we're showing off their massive ABC88 dual cabinet sandblaster.
This thing's a beast. It has 880 liter capacity. It's made for big jobs like dirt bike frames, ATV parts, even automotive components. It's a serious upgrade for our blasting system.
We're going to walk you through the whole unboxing, what comes in the crate, how to do it step by step, what to expect if you order one for yourself.
We're also going to share our first impressions, the build quality, and any kind of tips we might have for somebody that's going to do the same exact upgrade.
Huge thank you to TMG Industrial for supporting small Canadian shops like ours and our small YouTube channel that's slowly growing.
If you're into fabrication, restoration, or just love shop gear, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe because you don't want to miss what's coming next. Good morning. Oh, we got a special delivery coming today, and it's already here. I think as Steve just took off running through the field. We're getting this thing in a truck here, big ass box. We're gonna try to unload it. There it is.
There it is, buddy. TMG Sandblaster. Perfect. We're taking it.
Yeah,
it's good.
It's good. All right, here. You want to do this part, and I'll grab the tractor.
Yeah. Let's do it. All is 235 kilograms. Yeah, check that out, man, for sure.
Tiny lightweight.
There we go. Good to go.
Thanks, man. All right, we're gonna start unboxing this thing. We have to whip out the tools. First time we get a crate like this, that's kind of cool.
Yeah. Oh, it's pretty good quality. And they give you wood with it.
Once he gets all these little clips and everything off of that box, we're gonna take a little look inside and see what's in there and
assess the situation.
Assess the situation.
There's a lot of these.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, how many you got to put on here? But better safe than, I don't know. I don't know how safe we usually are around here. So it's definitely packaged good.
Yeah, that's what you want to see.
And it was obviously like there's no, it's cardboard, so you'd know if it was wet or anything. And
yeah,
look at that. Look at that shiny piece.
Nice.
All right, well, we were gonna, huh?
It's a good color too.
Yeah. Okay, so we were gonna do just pop the lid on it and stuff, but I think we're gonna start pulling some pieces out and looking at them, right? What do you think?
I think it's a good idea.
I mean, look how good that looks already. So, put it on. Oh, wow.
All right.
Yo.
That's nice.
Yeah.
The light system.
Oh, wow.
4 LED lights.
Look at that. And those
control box, all the switches. Real professional industrial.
Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm liking it.
Yeah.
Dude, that's so nice. Wow.
Oh, that's more complete than I thought.
Yeah, like dude. Anyways, give you guys a good look with some light. There's that cabinet. That thing's awesome. Like,
dude, like it comes set up. Like look at that. They already got the protector in the screen.
Oh yeah.
They give you extras. That's I'm really happy with that.
The doors are on it, everything's on it.
Yeah.
And then so that piece we just took off basically goes here, I guess. Seals up to that.
Yeah, yeah. That's
So
the
your
entrance
lights.
for your lights.
Wow.
Yeah, you set out the vacuum in back of that.
Okay, okay.
Wow.
We got dual ports, 2 sets of gloves are, gloves are already hooked on it and everything. Like literally just stand it up, plug it in and.
Damn.
Stand it up, plug it in. Just keep pulling, keep pulling. You got this.
Oh, put it in the back there.
Oh, cut.
Let it go, Tim.
Watch you don't scratch the new piece. what do we do now?
Didn't you pull the instructions out?
Yeah, but
I mean, I guess the first step,
who
wasn't
needs
it?
those? Oh, I know. Oh, didn't even scratch it. You can't scratch these. That's a good machine, man. Right? You gonna just read books all day or what?
Yep. Step 1.
Read the book. What? That's how.
Just do that.
Actually, let me see if you can just bend this side down. Got the important piece out.
Don't you scratch
Whoa.
that, dude. Oh, man.
We ain't even stuck in the car. What?
Pop the hoods. You got 2 hoods. Look at that, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to use that.
Shocks and everything.
Dude, we're gonna have to do an unboxing in our unboxing.
Yeah. A box in a box. Oh, scratch it. That looks like really nice, huh? Very professional looking. We should probably close it and go put it on the table, make some room on the table. Huh?
Yeah. Good call.
Step 1, after unboxing everything, we're gonna do inventory.
Let's see what's in box number 1. Now we didn't
Don't cut anything. Put that knife in a little bit.
really dig deep into what is in what box, so you're gonna get the surprise with us as we figure out what everything is. That's what I'm
good.
saying. This looks,
Oh, it looks like a leg.
I think it's a leg.
Ooh, we got 2 legs.
2 legs, which will explain why that's so heavy. I'm gonna bet this one's the other 2. All right, with the 4 legs, we'll just stack them in the back here for now.
Oh, that's probably for the lights, huh?
I think so.
Oh, that's pretty
It's
cool.
like Christmas.
We even got protection.
Do we have a checklist or anything?
Yep.
We do?
Yeah, I could.
Checking the list?
Well, I probably should be doing that, huh?
Yeah. You want a pen?
Oh wow, and it's got one already pressed in.
Well, cut yourself. Put your gloves on.
That's true.
Did you check that off?
Yep. LED light assembly. Want to take a guess?
Sparklers.
Hardware.
Oh.
Look at that. I love that. Comes with all the consumables that you're gonna blow through.
This will keep us busy for a while. That's really nice. Thank you, TMG.
Nice. All the hardware's there. Oh, those are extra
Nicely
clips. but-
packaged, nicely labeled. This is nice. A whole bunch of stuff, but got our pedal and a regulator.
Yeah. There you go.
Beauty.
Pedal regulator setup. Nice
Everything to
fittings
seal
too.
it up too. Nice little.
Good quality stuff, man.
Yeah, it looks so nice too. Like, I appreciate the different color hose and stuff just to make it pop a bit.
Ceiling foam. Yeah, first time I have a pedal activated blaster.
Very pleased.
Should make a big difference. Be able to blast all night.
This I assume is the same, more of the same. Yeah, the other pedal. They come with 18-wheeler parts, man.
Oh yeah.
What is this?
Is the vacuum.
Oh, good lord. Move that
the-
box. Move that box. That right there's a whole unit too.
Yeah, eh? This is here.
The bazookas.
2 big vacuums.
Yeah, it's got a little door on the bottom.
Okay, I guess you put your bucket under
Let
and
people out. I think we did pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with this purchase so far.
Yeah, so 2 dust collectors. So I think everything has been accounted
Checklist
for.
is complete.
Now we could start building. Nothing to it but do it.
We're gonna jump into this. We're gonna follow the instructions like they sent us. We're pretty nice. At first I wasn't sure, but when I actually started reading it, well, Steve started. I'm not that good at the reading.
Yeah, that's true. But it makes sense. So we're gonna follow them because there are a lot of steps, a lot of bolts not to forget. So step 1,
Step 1.
cover for the funnel. Yeah. Yeah, it's got a good half-inch of seal there.
It's our other sandblaster. That thing pours sand and media out of everywhere. It just gets all over the shop, and it's supposed to be nice and closed in a cabinet, but when we're done working, it's kind of everywhere. So this looks like it's going to be a very welcoming change. What do you need, buddy? What? Ratchet and the screwdriver?
Yeah, it's not a ratchet.
It's a ratchet wrench. We're going to be okay. So we have discovered that a good way to get this thing around in the right spot is, well, put it in the right spot, assembled, and then tighten it up. The floor here is maybe not 100% perfectly level, so we have to compensate for that. We put the pads underneath it, did a little shim work. Everything's gonna work out good. We're just gonna get in there, tighten up all the bolts, and then hook up this vacuum system. Everything looking good?
Everything's looking good. All the legs are on, so tighten it up. Gonna do the inside, I guess.
We did move location. We were up against that wall over there before, and we discovered and decided it would be a better spot here because sometimes that back door, it was up against the door. That's gonna probably get kind of cold. We don't want any problems with that kind of heat, the moisture, condensation. And here it's kind of like the star of the whole shop right now because it's basically the coolest machine we've ever had. So we put it right front and center. As soon as you walk in, you're gonna see that right away. Behind it, we have the fabrication bench that we made. And then we'll see what kind of room we have left back here. But we also need a room spot for all the materials, and that's all kind of tucked away in the corner right now, but there's all kinds of different medias that we're gonna be using with this machine. Okay, and these are
and then we'll add stuff to it.
These are the ones we don't have in there yet?
No, these are the step after that. It's for the vacuums.
Okay.
While you're talking, I was staying busy.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. I can't, come on, let's go.
It's nice when you go and change the screen there, you don't gotta mess around.
Yeah, that's it. It's right there. It comes already with the protective film on it. We have a whole stack of other ones.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna be cool. Even when you go mess around with the light too. It's all good access.
Yeah, we'll get to that part later. There's lights in here, also with protective film. And glass.
And glass.
Whew. That's nice. Now let's get some photos because that looks just awesome in there. Might as well.
Everything's like ready to rock.
It looks like a little space tap. Nuka-Cola squirt. So we got it on, bolts in, sits nice. There's threads in there, so we don't have to like try to get some nuts to hang on to the other side while we put it in, which is a super nice quality of life deal. Very happy about that. This thing is well thought out. And then back here we have our controls. These are the wires that are going to go to the missiles. Wonder if YouTube's gonna like strike you for saying big bombastic vacuum. Putting the plunger in the vacuum. Is that what you're doing?
Yeah. So when, let's say every 20 or 30 minutes you use it to stop the fans and knock this on the side to knock all the dust off the filter and at the bottom there, so you could put it in your bucket, collect it.
Take note, that came out. You got to take that out to be able to put that plunger in. Drop it at the bottom into a bucket. So now that we've finished our first sandblast and powder coating job with our brand new TMG Industrial ABC88, the dual cabinet, is that part of it? No.
Yeah.
Dual cabinet sandblaster. Here's our final thoughts and what we think of this machine.
For me personally, I think it's great. You shove it in, you could work on it here. You could even slide it over when you need to work on a different area because you don't always get the perfect coverage, but with the size of the machine we have, it's not a problem at all. I like the fact that you could roll it around in the machine. You don't have to take it out every time, wait till the fans kill it. But no, overall, I don't think we'll need a bigger machine for a very, very long time.
It was a very good experience. One of the things I noticed is that having the room to go between the two ports gives you access to the whole frame, like Steve said. But also one thing I noticed was that sometimes if you use that side, you're pulling the sand out, it's blowing around, it would end up in this side. So it's actually very practical to just keep going back and forth, and you don't have to overload your media. You can just kind of balance it back and forth, and by that you're usually covering everything on a piece of equipment like this. If there's maybe a bigger piece we have to do, it might be a different situation, but there's all kinds of room for this to be moved around and to move your parts around inside of it, get room to work around it. And something else, talking about moving around your stuff inside of it, I noticed that this whole unit is very, very solid. With the old one that we had, you used to be able to push it with your finger and it would like bubble in. And when you had something in it, it would kind of shake around a bit, and it would, if you dropped it on the grill, it would make a lot of noise and shake. This one, extremely solid. Really, really good build quality. There's no leaks at all. We've had to dust it off a few times, but all the dust that was sitting on top of the machine, it's such a higher grade of what you would buy at, say, Canadian Tire or Home Depot, that your run-of-the-mill machine, that I would never go with anything else besides the TMG Industrial ABC88 Sandblaster.
So we want to thank TMG, obviously, for making this possible for us, because it's a nice collaboration we got to do with them. It gave us a chance to do the whole unboxing, which, I mean, the whole process was super smooth, from the shipping to receiving to even unboxing it right here. We were surprised with the fact that it was pretty complete already. All you had to do was put the legs on and the fans in the back, and everything was like really plug and play, really well built, like Tim said. And yeah, one of my biggest things is like it not leaking from the seams, because our old machines, you almost had to wear a mask the whole time. You'd be covered in dust by the end, and now you could get comfy, you can put your seat there, a nice pedal activation too. That's really been cool too, because especially when you're going around the tight angles there, not having to pull a trigger at the same time is a big, big difference. So we're pretty happy with the build quality, and we even got to do some shop upgrades for the air, so make sure everything's clean for this. And yeah, thanks again, TMG.
And these shop upgrades are making everything come together really nice and making it easier for us to do the things that we want. So we appreciate it more than anything. And now more than ever, it's time for us to get to work.